Cutting bathroom floor tiles around plumbing obstacles requires planning, the right tools, and careful execution to get a clean, professional fit. Start by measuring the obstacle from multiple points and transfer those dimensions to the tile using a speed square and a pencil, marking the pipe center and the outer edge of the flange or fixture. For straight cuts and plunge cuts using a wet saw, set the tile so the marked line aligns with the blade kerf. Score the line first if the tile is porcelain or ceramic, then feed steadily without forcing to avoid chipping. For curved or irregular cuts around pipes, use an angle grinder fitted with a continuous rim diamond blade and make multiple shallow passes, working from the waste side to reduce visible chipping. When cutting holes for multiple pipes, consider drilling a starter hole with a masonry bit, then widen with the grinder or a hole saw designed for tile. Keep water nearby or use a wet cutting guide to reduce dust and overheating. Always wear eye protection, a respirator rated for fine dust, gloves, and hearing protection because cutting tile generates sharp shards and fine particulate that can harm you. Before final installation, dry fit each piece and use a carbide scoring wheel to adjust small edges by hand for a snug fit before applying adhesive. Common mistakes include cutting the hole too small, which forces breakage, so always add a light clearance of approximately 1/8 of an inch and test fit before adhesive. Another issue is chipping the tile edge when cutting across the face, which you avoid by supporting the tile at the cut, cutting from the back when possible, and using shallow passes or a scoring and snapping technique for softer tiles. A third concern is overheating or glazing ceramic, which weakens the edge. Keep water flowing on wet saw cuts, run the grinder in short bursts, and let blades cool between long cuts. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples and discussion threads for practical tips on tasks like tile cutting. We maintain a discussion community where we and other users share techniques, tool recommendations, and real-world fitment advice to help contractors find work and homeowners find qualified help.